So we'll be showing you some videos on some of the accessories we bought. And this is the Ride in Air 13-inch rubber antenna. So we're going to replace that with a factory antenna. Okay, so first of all, you need a 3/8 inch wrench. Now be careful here because you're close to the paintwork. You don't want to scratch the paint. And then after a while you can just unscrew it by hand. Okay, now let's see what's in the package. Okay, so out of the package it comes in two pieces, the antenna and then this attachment. I figure I screw it on first onto the base. I don't think you want to over tighten this. You of course want to make sure it's good and tight, but don't over tighten it. Have it for about a week and then hand tighten it again, see if it needs more adjustment. And then you just screw the antenna right into this. And there you go. That replaces the antenna. All the black matches now. I think it looks a lot better than the one single chrome item on the Jeep. So yeah, I think I'm pretty happy with that. My first accessory.